Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, thank you. I do stand here blameless for this. I do intend to appeal the verdict. I do also forgive everything that I just heard in here that was a lie. Heavenly Father, I know that you are in sovereign control over this situation. And even though I understand that the verdict is in and that you are going to pronounce sentence, I am going to continue to fight this. That's all I have to say.
Anything else?
Judge, I just ask that you consider, as I stated earlier, the facts that were, the evidence that were introduced in the trial. Also consider the PSI that's provided to the court. The only correction that I do have to the PSI is with regard to credit for time served. They only calculated the time after Ms. Patton was returned from the Florida State Hospital.
Didn't they recommend life in prison?
I'm sorry?
The PSI, wasn't it life in prison? Was there a recommendation?
That was, Judge.
Yes. The credit for time served is 1,723 days. Ms. Patton is 72 years old. We're asking that the court sentence her to the 25-year minimum sentence, as this court is required to do, and also take into consideration the fact that she did spend 2 years at the Florida State Hospital as a result of mental illness, and I think that that sort of coincides with the evidence that the court heard during the trial, which was that Ms. Patton, for a period of time, was sociable. She was pleasant. She was perfectly fine. And then there comes a point in time where her demeanor changes, her life changes, and that is when things start to change in the relationship between her and her sister. So I think that that coincides with what the reports are that sent Ms. Patton to the hospital back in 2022 as well. Thank you for your time this morning.
Can I add anything at this point?
Nothing else? That's it?
No, thank